Summer is peppered with patriotic holidays from Memorial Day in May, Independence Day in July, and Labor Day in September. I'm Maureen with Pike Nurseries, and today we're talking about using red, white, and blue plants to create a patriotic summer garden. You can easily create this look in containers or garden beds. Before we start planting, there are 2 tips to keep in mind. 1, know your light. Whether it's sun or shade, choose your plants accordingly. And 2, use your thriller, filler, and spiller design method and choose plants with varying heights and growth habits to create an interesting design. Now let's look at some red, white, and blue plants. Red summer flowers include verbena, pentas, and roses. For shade gardens, use red begonias, encore azaleas, and caladiums. Next, white plants for your patriotic garden include angelonia, dusty miller, and vinca. For shadier areas, use impatiens, astilbe, and variegated hostas like Patriot. When it comes to blue plants, there are very few true blue flowers in the garden, so you may need to use some flowers with more of a purple hue. Blue summer flowers include evolvulus, delphinium, scaevola or fanflower, plumbago, and salvia. For shade, mophead hydrangeas offer a true blue color. Tyrinia and columbine have a light bluish purple color that works too. If you're planting in containers, use colorful red, white, or blue pots to add to your theme. And finish off your design with a flag, decorative garden stake, or even a solar light. Now have fun planting your own patriotic garden. For more garden tips, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Visit your local Pike Nurseries to talk to our certified plant experts.